Hey guys, welcome back. Jurassic Rebirth is roaring into theaters. I'm here at Universal Studios today.
In fact, this ride feels like you're right in the movie. Hi, baby. Super cute. The ride feels just like your own mini movie. You arrive, you get on the tour, and something breaks out, and boom, you're being hunted into the maintenance area and staring down a giant T-Rex, just like the climax of the first film. And it echoes again in Jurassic Rebirth. So let's go get chased by a T-Rex.
Welcome to Jurassic
dinosaurs, such as Dinosaurs. These enormous such as Dinosaurs. These
Hey guys, wow, we just got off the river raft ride and it doesn't disappoint. It's the OG Jurassic Park ride. What do you think?
It was definitely riding the movies. It was the original movie, so I really enjoyed it, especially the drop at the end.
And don't forget to watch the movie. There are a lot of Easter eggs that tell you the whole 6-7 series in Jurassic World Rebirth, all kinds of Easter eggs. So make sure you see it and then you come to the park and ride the movies.
Hey guys, if you like what you see, please follow along, hit that like, subscribe button, and don't forget about that little notification bell so you get to see all our new content each and every time we post. This is Jurassic World VelociCoaster, #1 ride in Islands of Adventure. Let's go on and see if we can get a front row seat and give you a tour, best roller coaster around. Let's go. got off the ride and it was better than I remembered. It was wonderful. I highly recommend you go see it. Stick around and check it out.
So here they have all your favorite cocktails. Dino Roar, Fossilizer, Prehistoric Punch. They have some bites, the Bavarian pretzel, and the novelty ice cream. This is the beer and wine stop here inside of Jurassic World.
Coming around from Pizza Predator past this, right behind us is the burger joint. And then you have all these really cool rides. We have the Dino Dash, which is like the original water game, can win some stuff. And then of course the basketball that I've never seen anybody actually win. Yeah. And then Jurassic Park Training Zone. This one I could play because I could win this one. Maybe. So this is going towards. This one's called target training. So instead of throwing the ball, they have a little machine gun that throws it for you. Very cool. So coming around, like I said, the burger digs. Then we go into Discovery Center, which is like the original part of the first Jurassic Park. Well, and downstairs they have little eggs and different things like a center to learn. Really neat. And they have one of the best dino stores. This is where you can get some amber with like Dino DNA. This store, there's one of many stores. However, this one has some special things, so I want to show you. This t-shirt is only in this store. Isn't that gorgeous? It's like leather. I love this one. Also, they have the cartoon one. Do you remember this? This is like
The kitchen sink.
Yes, on the original Jurassic Park. So over here is all the ambers I was telling you about, and they have like little dinosaur pieces in them. Is that actual dinosaur in them? Mosquitoes in them? Is that the coolest? They're beautiful. Thank you so much. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Well, I'm telling everybody about them. What would you like? Get a cheeseburger and a milkshake? So we're right in the Discovery Center and in the Dino Burger.
I want a T-Rex burger
All right.
and a blood shake.
All right, we can do that. We can do it. Do it now. Good? This is what the little girl puts Dolores in. So it goes in here, right in here. Look up there. There's Dolores in the backpack. Let's go
Today in Jurassic Park, and there's one of them staring right at you. There's about 3 or 4 other ones staring at you too. You just can't see them.
Well, that's our time here today at Jurassic Park. Thanks for joining us on Jurassic Rebirth. Make sure you go out and watch the movie and then come back and see us on our next adventure.